Hey everyone, welcome back again in the session, guys. In the last session, as we have discussed in the video, inner join, and we're going to discuss left join in that video. Okay, so what is left join? Left join says that, as we discussed, it will return all record from the left table and the matching record from the right table. Okay, that will be common rows from the right table. Okay, we discussed this already theoretically. Okay, so what we have to do, the syntax is select column name. Okay, then left join, then table 2, then we have to mention the common column name. Okay, sorry. So let's see this practically. So we are going to open the SQL Workbench. So initially we were working with the employee and dependent table. Same, we are going to work this table, same table, left join. So the first tab, let's choose my database name. So right here, use Office, and then write select star from employee, and select star from DEPE and dependent. Okay. So when I execute this query, let's see what I get it. We can see this is my employee table. This is my dependent table. Okay, employee table, dependent table. Okay, as we know, ESS and SSN are the common column. So let's see, select star from employee, left join, dependent. Select star from employee, left join, dependent. Okay, then after that, I will write on employee dot ESSN. Okay, on employee dot ESSN equal DEPEN dependent dot SSN. Okay, semicolon. Let me execute this query. Let's see, there's something wrong with this. I think SSN on the employee. ESSN on the dependent and SSN on the employee table. So here I have to write employee dot SSN and dependent dot ESSN. Okay, so let's execute this query and you can see I get my output. Okay, from employee table SSN, from dependent table ESSN. Okay, now let's see what is the difference. You can see for some SSN value, you can see. Let's talk about this SSN. For this SSN, there is the no value present on the ESSN on the right table. Okay, so as we see in the left join, what it says, it return all the rows from left table and common rows from the right table. So it return the common rows from right table, and from those rows that are not matching, it is returning the null values. You can see it is returning the null values. Can you see for this? For this SSN, okay, it return null value as ESSN. Can you see? It return the null values as ESSN. Okay, so that is for left join. Left join says that it will return all rows from left side and common rows from right side. Okay, so for common rows, it return the dependent name SSN values, but those rows who's not matching, it will return the null values. So I hope guys this section is clear how we can use left join. Okay, now if I want to use short name, that is also possible. What I can do, I can simply write select star from employee as E, right? Left join, dependent as T on E dot SSN equal D dot ESSN, semicolon. So when I execute this queries, okay, let's see what is the problem. Select star from employee as E, left join dependent on E, unknown column D. Okay. Okay, let's see what is the problem. Select star from employee, as E, Okay, we don't need to mention as. Okay, then let's see. Still giving the D. Let's see what is the issue. Dependent D. Let's see. Let me check what is the issue with it. Sorry, I forget. Actually, it was equal. That's why I get this error. It should be dot. Now if I execute this query, so it is printing my output. SSN dot D dot ASSN. Okay. Similarly, if I want to use short name as with column name, so what I can do, I can write here select E dot F name, okay, and D dot dependent, DEPENDENT dependent, okay, from employee as E left join dependent 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 as D on E dot SSN equal D dot ESSN. If I execute this queries, okay, let's see what is the issues. Unknown column E dot SSN. Let me check what is the issue with it. Okay, let's execute this. It's dependent underscore name. So I should write here D dot dependent underscore name. So let me execute this one. Now I got it. F name from left table, dependent name from the right table. Okay. So I hope everyone this left join syntax is clear, right? Left join says that it will return all rows from left table and common rows from right table. Okay. And you can see for the Joyce, Ramesh, James, there is a no value matching on the dependent name on the right table. So that's why it returned the null. Okay. So I hope everyone guys, this section is clear how we can use left join table. In the next session, we're going to discuss how to use right join. Okay. So thank you everyone.